What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building, man. Y'all see what's going on. We over here at Dare to Dream Motorsports, so you know we checking on some things. Y'all want to check in with this one. All right, y'all. All right, guys, we back, man. So we made it over here to the shop. We got some updates and everything going on. So y'all want to stay tuned, tap in, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe right off the bat, man, because we got a lot of things to go over. But before we go over that, Jeremy has a nice amount of cars in here, man, a decent amount. So let's go over a few cars. Let's see what's going on, see some of the builds that's going on in here, because it's a lot of exciting things that's going on with these cars. A lot of track cars and stuff in here. You know, Jeremy is a wizard when it comes to this track car stuff. That's what he does. That's one of his specialties. So definitely, guys, let's see what's going on around here. All right, guys, right off the bat, we got this beautiful blue Z06, man. This thing's been sitting here for a little bit. I don't know what's all he getting done, but this thing is really, really nice, man. C5 joint, and man, this is gorgeous. Definitely gorgeous. Love the body lines on these damn things. With the chrome wheels, this is nasty. Really top tier for sure. Hold on. Let's HREs. We got to give respect where respect is due now, for sure. This is a nice build. Definitely a nice build. So we make our way up. Oh, we got another Z06 right here. You see, we got Z06s everywhere. We got another one right here. This thing is real nice. I love the silver. Blue is definitely my favorite color for sure, but we love the silver. Classic stock wheels it look like right there, man, guys. C6 joint right here, man. And this is pretty clean. Pretty clean. See, manual. Real nice joint. Real nice. We got another vet over here. And this thing is fully done out. This thing is like a track monster. You know what I mean? As far as everything that's been done to this thing. Really nice. You see all the vents? You know what I mean? Everything track spec vents. Look at the inside of this thing. That's where it shines for sure. Sheesh. Look at all that stuff that's been done to this. Man, full cage, everything. Like that. Look at it. Fire suppression system. This thing is ready to go. Ready to go for sure. Real nice build. Real nice build for sure. Oh, yeah, sadly. End up catching a little fire from the exhaust as well. Forgot about that. Definitely pretty clean for sure. All right, so we're going to make our way around. Let's see, there's another vet over here. He's actually in pieces right now. This is an LS7 Z06 joint, as you see. So we got one Z06, two Z06, three Z06. So many of them around here, guys. Definitely so many of them. But we got that one. That was in parts. I don't know what all he's getting done to that, but the paint is real nice. Real nice joint. So we're going to keep it moving. This bad boy is on the... They got it on the dolly. I don't know what's the plans for this Mustang joint right here. I see. As you see, the car is in pieces. Must be a nice little resto build or something. Damn, is that the rails? Frame rails? Sheesh. Yeah. So, real nice build. Definitely eager to see how this come along and see what's going on with this one for sure. We're gonna make our way around. We got the 350Z. This thing is always around, man. This thing is a classy joint. Real track build right here. Real nice car. As you see, fully done on the inside. Uh-oh. They just started that up over there. They've been doing alignment and stuff to that. Clean MR2 joint. But yeah, this 350Z is real nice. I like this thing. Everything's been done to this. Look at all the insides. Halo seat. Look at that, man. Fire suppression system. Real nice. Real nice, all the stuff in here. See all the panels and stuff they made. Real clean. This is the stuff that Jeremy does. Jeremy is a wizard. A lot of people don't know about Jeremy. A lot of people do know about Jeremy. Just kind of, if you know one of them joints. But when it comes to this track shit, this autocross shit, Jeremy is definitely the one for sure. Dare to Dream Motorsports for sure, guys. Definitely for sure. All right, we got a nice little Lexus here. As you see, another track car. So y'all see what's going on, guys. You definitely see what's going on. We got another track car right here. Nice little Lexus joint. You see, full insides. Manual. Like I say, oh, you hear the doggies. You hear the feet. There go one, there go two. Yeah, shop dogs, guys, shop dogs. But all right, we back to the motion. Look at the build, man. Look at the quality. Just look at everything that goes on. Nice cage, door bars. You see, got the camera set up. Real nice in here, guys. Real nice. This is real cool. Lexus tri-car right here. RPF 1s or whatever, you know what I mean? This is Jeremy's old tri-car. This was legendary monster, man. Definitely legendary for sure. He ended up retiring this car, and he went with his legendary Corvette that he got going right now, the C5 joint. So that's some of the stuff he got going. He got a Porsche right here. Once again, another, come on, say it with me, guys. Another track build. Another track build. Nasty. This is pretty clean. And as you see, look at everything on the inside. Get the bars. Another fireproof. Oh, let's go around the other side so we don't have to look through the window. And this is more on his car. We didn't even really go around it. Sorry about that. Let's go look around and see what he got going on. And like I said, he had retired the car, but this thing is a monster. This thing is definitely a monster for sure. As you see, back over here to the Porsche. And man, another track build, guys. So if you need any type of track builds, anything that deals with cars realistically, you know what I mean? My boy can get you together. He can definitely get you together for sure. You see what's all around here. You see what he's working on, and it's a full shop for sure. So let's keep it moving. Let's see what else we find. All right, we had to step over here to the Z, because the rear of this thing is nasty. Look at the cooler in there. That's sick. That's sick. So definitely, like I say, Jeremy does a lot of things, man. A lot of things. You got another Z right here. I think this Audi is here for storage, I believe so, or whatever. But you know, I love them supercharged joints, man. That's one of my first Audis that I had. It was a B8.5. I think this one's a B8, but mine was a B8.5, and I love that car for sure. I think this is here for storage as well. As you see, you got it on the tender or whatever. So there's a lot of things that Jeremy got around here. Definitely a lot of things that he works on. You know, just the man go crazy. See, he's over there working, putting in work. He ain't one of the guys that just sits around for sure. You know what I mean? So this is his C5 that he got going on right here. Man, big shout out to him because he just won first place. You know what I mean? So that was pretty dope for sure. So, but look at the wrap on this thing. This thing is crazy. And of course, he has a big ass splitter. So those are all his mounts for it. But crazy. Real nice. Real nice. And Jeremy does a lot of things himself for sure. He's real hands-on, especially when it comes to like splitters, wings, and stuff like that. He does everything by himself for sure. You know what I mean? Got the Vet in here. We got a Camaro right here. That's got some things going on. You know, you got the Hyundai, the little Subaru. You know, you got what he called the mullet, the Camaro joint back there. You got my car, you know what I mean? The big nasty right here, man. I can't wait. A month time, guy. 1 month in time. And she should be back rolling. Definitely should be back rolling. So, big ass shop. That's a splitter right there, guys. See that big ass splitter? That's what goes on that Vet. That thing is huge. Look at it. We got two of them. I think one for the Vet and one is for the Camaro. Not a Camaro, the Mustang or whatever that he retired. But assortment of tires. You know what I mean? Another massive ass splitter. I don't know who's that for. You know, so yeah. And he hand built all those. You know what I mean? So pretty damn cool for sure. You got my car, guys. Definitely my car. So we're gonna give you guys a little update. We're gonna show you some of the parts that we got going on, and then we might conclude the video. So like I said, I appreciate you guys for sticking around. Keep going, man. Hey, tell your friends, tell a friend, you know, we still going in this, man. Definitely we got some nasty builds, you know, and hey, we checking in. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we done made it up here to the storage compartment, you know what I mean? So we done made it up here. A lot of my parts is in here, so we're gonna get down and get to it. As you see right off the bat, the beautiful freshly coated, you know what I mean, housing, Pro Charger housing right there. We got the piping already, you know, that was already coated previously, so I'm excited, definitely excited about that. So these are one of the new things that we got. As you see, oh my goodness, look at the metallics, guys. Industrial Coatings, man. Big shout out to y'all guys. Y'all did a beautiful job. Beautiful job. My goodness gracious. And they powder coated. I'm overstimulating with my words, guys. They did powder coat it, but they matched this to this. So this was already coated probably like a year plus, maybe a little bit longer actually. And then we got it matched. And still, this is dirty, but you know what I mean? It's dirty, obviously, but you know, it cleans up really well, really well. You know, this is fresh. You know what I mean? So obviously, y'all see that's what we got going. We got the nice vibrant clamps. We've been having those as well. You know what I mean? So the setup is about to be real nice, guys. Real nice. You know what I mean? This is some of my stuff on pulley. We got the belt and all that stuff right here, the alternator and stuff, you know. So definitely excited, guys. Definitely excited. That's my fan housing or whatever with the custom fans that I got right there, man. Them True Cool fans. Everybody always asks me about those. Those things are really nice. I do like the fans. You have their own switch so you can control when the fans actually come on and come off on the temperature switch and everything like that. So real nice touch, because I was definitely overheating a lot, so I had to invest in my fans, and that definitely kept me going until I actually found the issue that I was dealing with for sure. So definitely was pretty nice with that, you know what I mean? So these are all my assortment of parts that we got going on. So now we got the FICs, guys. Woo! I can't wait, man. These bad boys right here, I think these are the 1650s or whatever. You know what I figure, guys? You know, I ain't no point opening them up right now. I don't want no dust and all that stuff getting in there. But yeah, we got the FICs, 1650s, I believe. We was running the FIDs 1200s before this, but like I said, we trying to make a lot of power, guys, a lot of power. So we definitely had to upgrade on the fuel side with the injectors. So let's see how that goes. And right next to it, yes sir, those are mine too, guys. We got the nasty Laguna Weld B-locks, man. I'm definitely excited about those, man. We're gonna drop some pictures and a video for that so y'all can see what's going on with those, because those are real nice. Definitely can't wait to get those on so y'all can see how that setup look. And then right here as well, I got pictures for all these guys. I really don't feel like pulling all this stuff out the box. You know what I mean? Since that box is open, we'll probably just kind of get a sneak peek. But yeah, so we got a splitter right there. We got a carbon splitter. Shout out to Eric. We gonna get that put on, man. I definitely can't wait about that. Got shout out to Eric again. We got the carbon side skirts as well. Let's see if we can get a sneak peek in these real quick. You know, like I say, you can't really see too much. Yeah, guys, you can see up in there. Yep, it's kind of hard to tell, but as you see, we got some carbon side skirts, carbon splitter, weld wheels, more carbon pieces, man. Shout out to my boy Timothy. We got, you know, been working with him, so we got some things going. This thing is about to be carbon crazy, guys. Carbon crazy. But definitely wanted to give y'all an update so y'all can see what's going on. Some of the parts we got on. we got that we're going to get put on. And we got a few more things as well that's coming in that we haven't even talked about. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with another one, guys. All right, y'all.